How to change country on Amazon application. Are guys facing issues to change country on Amazon application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with the After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this flag icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see options like country, language, and currency. You are looking to change country/region, right? Click on it. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple regions over here. Just select it according to preference. If you want to change it to Spain, then just tap on the Spain and hit the down button. So as you guys can see, our country has been changed to Spain. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Amazon app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the